Hi, this is Jacob Manicha for Advanced Distributor Products. Today I'm here to share with you an exciting new product, our Moduleflex eFurnace, designed from the start with the dealer in mind. Electrification and decarbonization are causing a rise in demand for heat pump systems. With millions of traditional gas furnace installations across the country, this shift has created a need for a gas furnace replacement. One that makes it easy for a dealer to replace a gas furnace and air conditioner with a heat pump system. The Moduleflex eFurnace is a gas furnace replacement modular blower. It is designed to match industry standard furnace footprints with either side, bottom, return capability. It should be a drop-in replacement in most applications. Additionally, it is shorter than most gas furnaces. This gives the dealer more room to fit a larger evaporator coil and minimizes the need for a ductwork modification during a changeout. All configurations of our ADP evaporator coils fit perfectly on the Moduleflex eFurnace. It is capable of being installed in either vertical upflow or downflow, horizontal left or right out of the box. No kits or conversions are needed, saving the dealer time in all installation configurations. The small size of the Moduleflex eFurnace makes it easier for one person to install when compared to a full-size single-piece air handler traditionally used in heat pump applications, especially in an attic or crawl space installation. Other dealer-driven features include electrical knockouts on both sides for easy access, a screw-down terminal strip for quick and easy thermostat wiring, a front door with minimal screws for total access, and a handle that makes it easy to remove, fully insulated cabinet and panels to reduce sound levels, and a bottom block-off plate that is provided with every unit to be used for side return applications. Best of all, the Moduleflex eFurnace is powered by a 120-volt, 5-speed, high-efficiency ECM motor, so there's no need to run a new 240-volt circuit when a gas furnace is being replaced. This high-efficiency motor can help the system meet rebate or tax credit efficiency levels for SEER2, EER2, and HSPF2. We're excited to introduce this product and give dealers a new and better option for heat pump replacements. For more information on ADP's Moduleflex eFurnace, visit adpnow.com and connect with us on social media.